Many times in LabVIEW, you find yourself needing for numerical operations. All the numeric nodes can be found under numeric, and here they are. In this video I'm just going to cover the basic ones, but I'll cover these in a future video. Here are probably the most basic nodes, just our addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So the only thing to really keep in mind is if we can see up in our little help guide here, the left side, X and Y, are both bold, so these are required inputs and you need them. The only two to kind of watch are the subtraction and the division. Just keep in mind that X is subtracted from Y, so order does matter on both the subtraction and on the division. So if I were just to put 2 and 3 in both fields, we can see our outputs all correspond to the correct values. But if I was to take y as a 0 and run it, our x divided by y becomes infinity. So this is just an error that it produces. Same can be done if we make this y larger and we run this. We get a -4. This can also be because this data types are doubles, but I'll cover data types in a different video. So that is why we get our negative. So real basic short video for the numeric folder, and in the next future videos I'm going to start covering these other nodes. So I hope this is helpful, and stay tuned for more.